sis, I'm Sam. I'm a doula and mama of 4, here to show you how I make one of my favorite postpartum snacks. It's a 5-ingredient peanut butter ball. So if you'd like to see how this veteran mom stays healthy postpartum and increases my milk supply, then keep on watching. You guys, it's almost time. This baby is almost here, so I gotta get ready. But question of the day, do you ever feel like you have to clean up the mess before you make another mess? Am I the only one? Let me know. Today, the first ingredient you're gonna need is a baby bump. No, I'm just kidding. But if you have a baby bump, let me know, when are you due? It's so exciting. Comment down below. You're going to need a mixing bowl, a Tupperware bowl, some oatmeal of your choosing, some peanut butter. I'm going with the natural Jif, your honey bear, some flax seeds, mini chocolate chips. These are organic and I love them so much. A measuring cup and a spoon. Throughout this tutorial, I'm actually not going to be using any measuring cups or measuring spoons. I'm just going to be eyeballing it. But for those type A personalities out there, I will have all of the exact measurements in the description box below. We're going to start with our oatmeal, and this is the main ingredient that's really going to help us boost our milk supply. Then I'm going to throw in some flax seeds. You can also put in flax flour, but I like the crunch of the flax seeds. One of my favorite parts are the mini chocolate chips. These are the organic kind. And you know, sometimes you just need a little bit more. Grab your honey bear. We're going to do a drizzle of the honey. This is going to be like the glue that helps everything stick together and make the peanut butter balls their shape. We're going in with a big spoon in our jar of peanut butter with a big old glob of peanut butter. Then what we're going to do is stir it and fold it in. Stir and fold. Stir and fold.
What does that mean? He folds it in.
After about a minute or so, you can see that it is starting to form little balls all on its own, just by stirring and folding, stirring and folding. How many more times can I say stir and fold? I like even more flax seeds in mine. I really like the crunch of the flax seeds with the creaminess of the peanut butter. So this is just my little something to add a little bit more in. And then again, I stir and fold it in. This is a super simple recipe and it only takes a few minutes to complete. There's a lot of times when I don't even make them into actual peanut butter balls and I will just eat it straight out of the bowl. There is absolutely no shame in my game. For those of us who are maybe a little more civilized than I can be at times, go ahead and grab your Tupperware bowl and we're gonna start forming these into little serving sizes. I take my 1/4 cup and my spoon and I form the balls using the measuring cup. I press it down into the cup, spoon it out and place it into my Tupperware bowl. You're gonna repeat the process until there is no more left. See, I told you it was super simple. Now, before we pop these in the refrigerator, we're going to craft a love note to our family members so they know not to mess with our food. Am I right? Here's mine. What's yours gonna say? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of one of my favorite postpartum snacks. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a mama in your life. I'll see you in the next one.